Today, we're making perfect egg fried rice. Simple, comforting, and full of flavor. Let's get started. First, gently separate the egg whites from the yolks. This small step makes a big difference in texture. Here we have 3 eggs, whites and yolks separated, and 300 grams of cooked white rice. Now mix the egg yolks directly into the rice, coating every grain for that rich color and flavor. Heat your wok until it's really hot. Then add 30 milliliters of oil. Pour in the egg whites and let them bloom in the hot oil. Immediately add the yolk-coated rice and stir fry on high heat. Keep it moving, no resting. Season with half a tablespoon of salt and half a tablespoon of pepper. Toss everything again on high heat to wake up all those flavors. Now 1 tablespoon of chili oil. This is my special chili oil, made with ginger, garlic, and lots of herbs. The recipe's in the comments, and don't forget to follow the page. Toss everything again on high heat to wake up all those flavors. Add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce for depth and balance. Finally finish with fresh spring onions for aroma and color. Give it one last strong toss on high heat. And that's it. Simple, powerful egg fried rice. Like, follow, and stay with Civer Corner for more delicious recipes.